Hello students, I am Dr. Rajaram Dhok from Savitribai Phule Pune University affiliated Agricultural Development Trust Shardabai Pawar Mahila College Sharda Nagar Baramati. Let's start. Today's lecture on molecular orbital theory, lecture 9. In this lecture, we learn about the molecular orbital energy level diagram for homonuclear diatomic molecules. In this molecular orbital energy level diagram for homonuclear diatomic molecules, we mainly see about the second row elements, how we draw the diagrams. So second row element means in this row elements are started from lithium and last element is neon. So from lithium molecule to neon molecules, how that molecular are formed. So in that molecules, in the second row elements, 2s and 2p orbitals present. So when that 2s and 2p orbitals present, then in that every atom contains one 2s and 3p orbitals. So total 4 orbitals of one atom and 4 orbitals of second atom. So in this way 4 and 4 total 8 orbitals take part. In these 8 orbitals, the combination of orbital is formed depending upon the symmetry of that orbitals, geometry of that orbitals and energy of that orbitals. So by considering the three basic rules, that is symmetry, geometry and energy, if these three are matching with each other, then such atomic orbitals interact with each other and there is formation of bonding or antibonding molecular orbitals. So, in case of the s orbital of one atom and s orbital of other atom, when combines, then there is formation of two molecular orbitals. So, in this S-S combination, there is formation of one sigma bond and one sigma star molecular orbitals. Now in case of the p orbital, px orbital of one atom and px orbital of second atom, they overlap with each other and there is formation of two sigma molecular orbital, that is sigma px and other is sigma star px. Then in p orbitals, there is py orbital. So py orbital of first atom and py orbital of second atom, they overlap with each other and in this overlapping, py and py atomic orbital overlaps sidewise and it forms a pi bond. So there is formation of one bonding molecular orbital, that is pi py, and one anti-bonding molecular orbital pi star py. So in this case, two py atomic orbital forms two pi bonds, that is one bonding and other is anti-bonding molecular orbital. In case of the pz orbital, first atom's pz orbital and second atom's pz orbital, they overlap with each other and when their wave functions are same, then there is formation of pi pz molecular orbital and wave functions are different, then pi star pz molecular orbitals are formed. In this way, here the pi py and pi pz molecular orbitals are formed, that is bonding molecular orbital, and pi star py and pi star pz, these molecular orbitals are formed, that is anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So when we consider the energy of this pi py and pi pz, then energy of both pi py and pi pz is equivalent. In case of the pi star py and pi star pz, the energy is also equivalent. Now, these all molecular orbitals, when we show systematically, then we show the energy level diagram. So, these molecular orbitals which have same energy, that is called as degenerate molecular orbitals. So, you see in this figure is molecular orbital diagram for the second row element. So, we see how we can draw this diagram. For that purpose, systematically we see firstly lower atomic orbitals. So, in this diagram, 1s and 1s of the second is not shown because 1s atomic orbital and 1s atomic orbital of second element that can combine, and there is formation of 1 sigma 1s bonding molecular orbital and 1 sigma star 1s anti-bonding molecular orbitals, and both are filled by 2 electrons. So both the atomic orbitals are neutralized with each other and its energy or bond order is not affected, and so this 1s orbital is not shown in this diagram but it is formed. And so in writing the electronic configuration, we can show that orbitals by letter K, and for the second atomic orbital by letter K. And for simplicity, it is not shown in this diagram. And only the valence atomic orbitals are shown in this diagram. So in the first atomic orbital and in the second atomic orbitals, we have shown here 2s orbitals. So this diagram is for homonuclear diatomic molecules. So in this homonuclear diatomic molecules, energy of 2s and other atoms 2s is same. So we show this both the 2s and 2s at same energy level. Now energy of 2p of first atom and energy of 2p of the second atom, they have also the same energy, and so they are shown at the same energy levels because they are homonuclear diatomic molecules. Now 2s atomic orbital have lower energy than 2p atomic orbital. So 2s is shown at the lower side and 2p is shown at the upper side. In case of the 2p atomic orbitals, all the three atomic orbital px, py and pz have same energy, that is called as degenerate orbitals, and so they are shown at the same energy level. So we have shown here three squares. Here also in second atom there is shown the three squares because they have also the same. In this way we show the 2s and 2p atomic orbital for both the atoms. Now we see the combination of this atomic orbital. Now this 2s atomic orbital of first atom and 2s atomic orbital of second atom, when its wave functions are same, then there is formation of this bonding molecular orbital, and we show this bonding molecular orbital at the lower energy level because this orbital is stable and it acquires lower energy. Now this 2s of first atom and 2s of second atom, when its wave functions are different, then that atomic orbitals repels and it forms anti-bonding molecular orbital, and this anti-bonding molecular orbital acquires higher energy, we show by sigma star 2s. So in this way, by combination of two atoms 2s 2s atomic orbital, we get sigma 2s and sigma star 2s. Now we see the combination of 2p and 2p atomic orbital. So according to the rules already we have discussed, that is px orbital of first atom and px orbital of second atom it combines, and when its wave functions are same, then it forms bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma 2px, and that sigma 2px have lower energy, it is stable. Now when this px and px wave functions are different, then they are repelled and it forms anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma star 2px, and it acquires higher energy because these orbitals are repelled more and more, and so it acquires highest position in the diagram. Now we see about the 2p and 2p orbitals. So 2p orbital of first atom and 2p orbital of second atom, when its wave functions are same, then it forms bonding molecular orbital which have lower energy. And we give the notation or name of that molecular orbital pi 2py. Then pz of first atomic orbital and pz of the second atom, when it combines, when its wave functions are same, then there is formation of bonding molecular orbital, that is the pi 2pz. So this pi 2py and pi 2pz both have degenerate, and so they are shown at the same energy level. Now in the same way, anti-bonding molecular orbitals are formed. So wave functions of py and other atoms py are different, then anti-bonding pi star 2py orbital is formed and it acquires higher energy. In case of the pz of first atom and pz of second atom, when wave functions different, then anti-bonding pi star 2pz molecular orbital is formed. So in this way, here this 4 atomic orbital of first atom and 4 atomic orbital of second atom combines, and there is formation of 8 molecular orbitals. So again we revise that sigma 2s atomic orbital have lower energy, then sigma star 2s have upper energy than sigma 2s, then sigma 2px, then pi 2py and pi 2pz both are same energy, and higher energy of antibonding orbital, that is pi star 2py, pi star 2pz. These two are same energy, and lastly sigma star 2px. In this way we draw the diagram. Now we see this molecular orbital energy level diagram for second group, second row elements. Then we get the delta energy, or we say the beta energy, and in this case delta or beta energy which is formed is similar in case of the all other diagrams. So if we see the magnitude of overlapping, then this magnitude of the overlap decreases in the order SS, that is equal to P sigma, and it is greater than P pi. And in this case we can show the molecular orbitals in the energy levels, that is sigma 1s, and in increasing order again other molecular orbitals, that is sigma star 1s, sigma 2px, pi 2py and pi 2pz both are equal, then pi star 2py and pi star 2pz both are equal, and then higher energy orbital is pi star 2px. So in this way we can show the energy level diagram for the second row element. Now when these p atomic orbitals overlap with only p atomic orbital, there is no any interaction between s and p orbitals in this diagram. But actually the s and p orbital interaction is possible in some cases. And when such type of interactions present, then at that time the energy sequence which is shown here, they may be changed. So how it is changed, we see this. For that purpose, we take the example of molecules like Li2, Be2, B2, C2, N2. So in these molecules, energy difference between 2s and 2p atomic orbital is not very large. The energy difference between 2s and 2p atomic orbital is less, and because of that the 2s and 2p atomic orbital of two different atoms interact with each other. So we say that these two atomic orbitals s and p orbitals interacts and they permitted the symmetry. So consequently the s and px atomic orbital interacts with one another and results in the repulsion between pairs of orbitals of the same type. Means when one atom's s orbital and second atom's px orbital combines with each other, interact with each other, then the molecular orbitals form, that is sigma 2s, sigma 2px and sigma star orbitals. So these sigma star 2s and sigma star 2px, see this diagram is sigma star 2s, sigma 2px. These come close with each other, and when they come close with each other, then they are repelled. And when they repelled, then sigma 2px is repelled above the sigma, repelled above the pi orbitals. So in case of the lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon and nitrogen molecules, the energy sequence order is changed, and in that changes is observed between sigma star 2s and pi. So what is the energy sequence change? So sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, this remains same, but pi star 2py and pi 2pz have lower energy than the sigma 2px. So sigma 2px acquires higher energy than the pi orbitals. And after that again pi star 2py, pi star 2pz, sigma star 2px, that remains same energy. So you remember only sigma 2px and pi orbital energy levels are changed. Means the first diagram we have seen here, this sigma 2px which is lower energy than the pi. But in case of the lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon and nitrogen, this sigma 2px acquires higher energy and pi acquires lower energy. So this is only difference. So you remember this difference carefully. Now after nitrogen, the energy difference between s and p atomic orbital becomes sufficient, and in that case the interaction between s and p orbitals of two different atoms are not possible, and at that time the energy level diagram is similar as we show in the previous diagram. in case of the lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon and nitrogen, the energy level diagram is changed in two energy levels, and where they are changed we see in the diagram. You see this diagram, these energy levels remain same, but this sigma 2px acquires here higher energy and pi acquires lower energy. So only here this energy difference is formed. So only these two molecular orbitals, they are changed, their sequence. So in previous diagram we have seen sigma 2px is lower and pi is upper. In case of lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon and nitrogen, here pi orbitals have lower energy and sigma 2px have higher energy. So you remember this carefully because it is very important to draw the diagram, and when we draw the diagram for different molecules, then we have to consider the interaction between s orbital of first atom and px orbital of second atom, and accordingly we have to show the energy levels of that molecular orbitals. I have given you assignment on this topic. You solve the assignment and submit it. For the assignment, you check the link of assignment in this video description.